Now, if you can find another Ford Transit Custom Limited that has done 6,000 miles like this one has on a 22 registration, I would be very, very surprised. Finished in blue, it's then had an exterior styling kit, front bumper, side skirts, upgraded wheels. It's a 6-seater, 2-litre diesel manual, but it's the mileage, 6,000 miles on a 22 registration. It's also been privately owned, so the price isn't subject to any VAT. So if you are in the market for a 6-seater custom, it's also the long wheelbase, but wait until I show you the condition of the interior. The exterior is in great condition as well, as you'd expect with 6,000 miles, but the interior, the rear seats don't even look like they've been sat in. It's also then had a front Predator-style grille installed, front splitter like I've just mentioned, again all colour-coded, upgraded wheels, finished in gloss black, and it's clearly being used as a car, but with it being the long wheelbase, if you are looking for something that can cross over into both, then this is the perfect vehicle because you've got 3 seats in the front, 3 across the middle, and if you have a look, you can just see that they haven't even been used, even by the plastics on the floors and whatnot. Dual access doors, so you can access from passenger side and driver's side as well. But just wait until you get a glimpse at the condition of the back of this here. So, with it being the long wheelbase, obviously gives you more options to what you can physically put in the back of there. But just have a look at that, it's absolutely brand new. It's done just over 6,000 miles. Registered in 2022. So again, for its age, it has done extremely low mileage. The dual access doors, which I mentioned earlier, from this side. And then when we jump in, so 130 brake horsepower, 2-litre diesel manual. We get quite a lot of features on these. As standard features like cruise control, speed limiter, your infotainment system will also have your rear view camera, front and rear sensors, heated seats. But again, I'm going to keep going back to the fact it's the mileage. 6,600 miles, 3 seats in the front, 3 seats in the rear, long wheelbase, privately owned. So irrelevant if you are VAT registered or not, it's a commercial vehicle, but it's got 6 seats, long wheelbase, fantastic condition. Just where are you going to go find another? It's not very often that we get vehicles like this in. We can certainly find low mileage examples, but to find something like this, pretty much impossible. So if you are interested, you won't be the only one, so please act fast, pick up the phone, give me a call direct. My name is Paddy, and I look forward to speaking to you.